Today I am reviewing the LXZ Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a well-rounded, stylish, and performance-driven desktop computer that can confidently handle your home, office, and casual gaming needs without breaking the bank, the LXZ Desktop PC powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G is a fantastic option to consider. At the heart of this machine lies the Ryzen 7 5700G, a powerful 8-core processor running at 3.9 GHz, which is not just built for speed and responsiveness, but also equipped with integrated Radeon Graphics. This means you get the performance of a solid CPU with the added benefit of a capable GPU all in one package, making it ideal for users who don't necessarily want to spend more on a separate graphics card. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web with multiple tabs open, watching HD videos, or running light to moderate games, this APU handles it all with impressive ease. The Radeon graphics are more than enough for everyday visual tasks and casual gaming experiences like Minecraft, Fortnite, or older AAA titles at medium settings, delivering smooth frame rates and crisp visuals without the need for a discrete GPU. It's also great for media consumption and even light content creation like photo editing or 1080p video editing. Backing up the processor is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is right in the sweet spot for modern multitasking. This amount of memory ensures that you can run several applications simultaneously without any noticeable lag, and it provides a smooth experience for both productivity and entertainment purposes. It's especially useful if you frequently switch between tasks, such as having multiple browser tabs open while working on documents or streaming video content. You won't feel slowed down even if you're juggling a dozen windows at once. Then there's the 512 GB NVMe SSD, which is a major upgrade over traditional hard drives and even older SATA SSDs. With lightning-fast read and write speeds, this SSD ensures that your operating system boots in seconds, applications launch almost instantly, and file transfers happen in the blink of an eye. You'll quickly realize how much time and frustration a fast drive can save you, especially if you're used to waiting for programs to open or files to move. And if you ever need more storage down the line, there's room for expansion. Now let's talk about the design, which is something LXZ clearly put a lot of thought into. The tower itself features a clean and modern white chassis that blends well in both office and gaming environments. What really sets it apart, though, is the visual flair. It comes equipped with 5 RGB fans that not only keep the system cool, but also give it a dynamic, colorful personality. These lighting effects can be customized to match your setup or mood, making your desktop look as good as it performs. On top of that, the case features tempered glass panels on 3 sides, allowing you to showcase your internal components and lighting. Not only does this design look great, but it also helps with airflow and cooling, which is critical for maintaining long-term system stability, especially during extended work or gaming sessions. Heat management is often overlooked in pre-built PCs, but LXZ makes it a priority with this build. And while the integrated GPU will be more than enough for casual users, gamers or professionals who want to step things up can do so easily. The case supports discrete graphics cards up to 320mm in length and with a TDP of up to 170 watts, so future upgrades are a breeze. That makes this a great option if you're not ready to buy a separate graphics card now, but want to leave that door open later. In terms of practical use, this desktop PC shines in almost any scenario. For students, it's perfect for research, writing papers, and attending virtual classes. For professionals, it handles office applications, video conferencing, and productivity tools effortlessly. For families, it's an excellent media center, letting you stream movies, play music, or even manage smart home devices. And for casual gamers or creators just starting out, it offers a solid base system with enough power to experiment and grow into more demanding tasks later. Overall, the LXZ Ryzen 7 5700G desktop offers exceptional value for its price. It's fast, quiet, visually impressive, and versatile enough to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Whether you're looking to work, play, or just enjoy a smooth computing experience, this machine delivers. And with features like customizable RGB lighting, upgradable GPU support, fast storage, and a balanced configuration of CPU and RAM, it's clear that this PC was built with both performance and future-proofing in mind. It's a rare combination of form and function that punches well above its weight, making it a great choice for anyone who wants reliable performance wrapped in a sleek, modern package.